Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best guitar amp is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any guitarist, transforming your instrument's raw sound into something powerful and expressive. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of electric guitar amplifiers, from understanding the different types and features to making an informed decision based on your specific needs and budget, ensuring you find the perfect amplifier to match your playing style and musical aspirations. Number 5. Fender Frontman 10G Amp. Get ready to experience rich, versatile tones. This amp is designed for players of all levels. It packs a punch despite its compact size. You'll have plenty of power for practice or small gigs. Hear the difference a quality speaker makes. It delivers crisp highs and warm lows, perfect for various genres. Shape your sound with ease. It has everything you need to dial in your perfect tone, from bluesy cleans to aggressive distortion. Experience enhanced bass response. The closed-back cabinet delivers a tight, punchy low end. It's built to last. This amp is crafted with care and comes with a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Take it anywhere. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for practice, gigs, or rehearsals. What we like. It boasts a powerful sound for its size and includes a quality speaker. If you're a beginner on a budget and want a reliable amp with a warranty, this is a great choice. It's perfect for home practice and small gigs. What people say. It can go from pretty soft to very loud with no distortion. I love the treble bass controls that really make them both sound deeper and richer. Never buzzes or squeals, sound comes out clear. It's relatively compact even for a small space and is built well. The sound, its build, and all is what you can expect from Fender. Number 4. Fender Frontman 10G Amp Bundle. Get ready to experience the Fender Frontman 10G guitar amplifier. It's perfect for home practice, offering great sound without being too loud. This amp delivers 10 watts of power, ideal for home use. You'll get great tone without disturbing your neighbors. It has an overdrive switch, so you can easily switch between clean and distorted tones. Experiment with your sound and find your perfect tone. With its auxiliary input, you can jam along to your favorite songs. And the headphone jack lets you practice silently. The closed-back design enhances the bass response, giving you a fuller, richer sound. You'll love how it sounds. This bundle includes everything you need to start playing right away, an instrument cable and 12 picks. It's ready to go. Please be aware of the included warning concerning cancer and reproductive harm. More details are available at www.p65warnings.ca.gov. What we like. This amp offers the ideal volume for home practice and includes everything you need to get started. If you're looking for convenience and value, this bundle is perfect for you. It's ideal for beginners who want to start playing right away. What people say. It's surprisingly crisp and clear. Love the driver switch. Works great with pedals. The amp is super loud and picks up noise extremely well. The noise it produces sounds clean and clear, really high quality for a lower-end amp. And the controls give you plenty of variety when it comes to customizing the sound you want your guitar to make. I was able to create a super gritty, distorted sound with my guitar without having to buy a distortion pedal. Clean sound, built-in EQ with bass, treble and mid knobs, dedicated drive channel with separate volume controls and gain. This is the Fender amplifier for small venue professionals, beginners, and intermediate players. Amazing sound from such a small amplifier. It has plenty of headroom for a clean sound in small to medium spaces and is perfect for practice at home. It has a drive select for more growl in your rock and roll riffs and all the equalizing knobs you'll need for your perfect signature setup and sound. Number 3. Sawtooth 10-watt guitar amp. Get ready to rock with the Sawtooth 10-watt guitar amp. It's the perfect amp for practice and small gigs, delivering big sound in a compact package. This amp boasts 10 watts of pure power, enough to fill a room with your music. It's simple to use, yet powerful enough for any guitarist. Experience rich, clear tones thanks to its 6.5-inch speaker. It's designed to give you the best possible sound reproduction. Shape your sound with the intuitive controls. Adjust the volume, gain, and drive to find your perfect tone, and fine-tune it with the Master EQ. It comes with everything you need to get started, a 10-foot instrument cable and a sampler of guitar picks. Just plug in and play. It features both a 6.35mm mono input jack for your guitar and a 6.35mm stereo headphone jack for private practice. It's versatile and convenient. With 10W RMS power at 4 ohms and simple controls, it's perfect for beginners and experienced players alike. It's ready when you are. What we like. It offers a versatile sound with its master EQ and comes with essential accessories. If you need an amp with precise tone control and don't want to buy extras, this is a great option. It's suitable for players who want to shape their sound precisely. What people say. Works great with my Taylor acoustic. Very small, lightweight, yet sturdy, simple to operate. Very nice sound quality with excellent tone and volume range. The sound is way better than I expected and all controls are exceptional. It's so easy to set up and very uncomplicated. Lightweight and easy to set up. Just plug in and play. Like everyone says, it puts out a lot of sound for a small lunchbox size amp. The amp has controls for treble, mid-level and bass, also an overdrive distortion button and dial for the level of distortion you want. Number 2. Donner de 10 mini-amp. It's got enough volume for practice at home. The built-in rechargeable battery gives you 4 hours of playtime on a single charge. A USB charging cable is included. Easily switch between tones using the rear panel switch. It also features 3-band EQ, gain, and master volume controls for a wide range of sounds, from clean to overdrive. Despite its compact size, it delivers up to 4 hours of playtime at 5 watts. It's incredibly portable, just grab it and go. For optimal performance, charge it for 10 minutes before first use after a full discharge. Jam along with your favorite music using the AUX input. Practice silently with the headphone output. A 3.5mm audio cable is included. Its durable construction and rubber feet keep it safe from damage and ensure it stays stable. It's built to last. What we like. Its compact size and rechargeable battery make it incredibly portable. If you need an amp for practice on the go, this is the one. It's perfect for musicians who value mobility and versatility. What people say. Impressed by its sound. Great bedroom practice amp that is battery powered and portable. I wasn't expecting too much for this little banger honestly, so when I did plug my guitar into this tiny amp I truly was shocked by the tone and also the volume. It not only is up to par, it leaves par way down below somewhere. It is just what it says it is. It is a handy little amp you can take anywhere and it will sound great, and it's so small it would fit into your car's glove box if needed. It works on battery and easy charging is good also. Loudness is good, easy to use, the crunch feature sounds great, works well with my wireless transmitter, receiver. Number 1. Pyle Electric Guitar Kit. Get ready to rock. Let's explore everything included in this complete guitar kit, perfect for beginners. It boasts a built-in amplifier with drive, volume, treble, and bass controls. Plus, a headphone jack for quiet practice sessions. These pickups deliver a rich, clear tone by minimizing noise and interference. Hear the difference superior sound quality makes. It's built with high-quality materials like Paulownia wood and Canadian maple. This ensures durability and a beautiful finish. Everything you need to start playing is included: guitar, amp, cable, gig bag, and more. It's a full-sized guitar ready for lessons or gigs. Easily adjust the volume and tone with the rotary controls. The 3-way pickup selector lets you switch between different sounds. What we like. This is more than just an amp, it's a complete guitar kit. If you're a beginner and need everything to start playing, this is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for those who want a convenient and affordable way to begin their musical journey. What people say. The guitar looks great. It has a dual humbucker pickup config, which is unparalleled at this price point. Both the clean and distorted channel have a great tone for an amp of this size. It feels and sounds like a solid little practice amp and is perfect for a starter. The headphone jack is great for isolation and the single low-high tone control is a decent little tone shaper. You can jam right out of the box. The guitar is lightweight but doesn't feel cheap. The curves are nicely rounded. Fretboard feels nice and very well made. The frets don't have any sharp edges. The finish is absolutely gorgeous. The action is just right and within a few minutes of some adjusting, I was rocking. The amp is very well made and can really throw out some sound. The guitar feels solid, not cheap. The amp is very small but is actually pretty powerful for the size. It's perfect for me since I don't want to disturb my entire house as I find my way to being a real guitar player. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.